Basements can be scary. When you go into your basement, you may feel like you're walking into a scene from a horror flick. Stay tuned and I'll let you know how you can make your basement more appealing. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Livable. Whether you're thinking about adding more space to your home by finishing your basement, or you just want to use it for storage, in this video, I'll explain what you can do to make your basement less scary, more inviting, and what that could cost. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The biggest thing with a scary basement is usually it's dark and it's dungy and it even has a cold, damp, wet feel to it. These are the things that people don't like visiting their basement for. It's that wet and you start to think about rodents and other critters wandering around down there and you can't see them or you don't know what's down there. And so that's what we're talking about when we're talking about a basement being a little bit scary. And those are the problems that we want to help tackle with you. Getting a water drainage system in your basement, especially if it's that dungy, wet feel, is one of the first steps. This is going to help with your water standing on the floors and causing that smell and that really cold feel down there. Then those next steps are really adding a dehumidifier, encapsulation to the walls to brighten the space up, make it feel brighter, airier, and more spacious, and start to regulate that humidity in that crawl space, that dampness, and really turn it into an ideal space for you to live in or to help store your belongings there. So like I said, we can go at it at many different stages. We can start with just the drainage and the sump pumps, tackle the most serious problem first. And with that, on average, you're gonna spend somewhere between probably $5,000 to $8,000 for basement drainage, depending on if you already have a sump pump, if you're putting in a new sump pump, what does all that look like? Adding encapsulation to your basement walls can add a couple thousand to $4,000. It all depends on the size of your basement itself. And then adding that dehumidifier to really regulate that air in your home and in your basement usually runs about $2,200 a unit. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helping out your basement? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.